Let's look at the form of the thought. When we talk about form of the thought, it refers to the organization of the thought or the association between two consecutive thoughts. So basically we are talking about how one thought is related to another. Generally it is expected that the first thought will be related to the second and to the next thought. So there are three kinds of problems which can happen in form of thought: derailment, loosening of association, and incoherence. Now derailment is basically when the association between two consecutive thoughts are disturbed. Loosening of association is when the connection between the same components of a single thought is disturbed, and incoherence is total lack of organization, making it completely incomprehensible. An example would be when we talk about derailment. Suppose some patient says that I don't want to go to office, Mahatma Gandhi is a good person. So he has expressed two different thoughts. One is I don't want to go to office, and second is Mahatma Gandhi is a good person. Now the association between two thoughts is disturbed. This is called as derailment. So derailment when two thoughts are expressed or multiple thoughts are expressed and there is no correlation between each of these thoughts. So that is called as derailment. Loosening of association. Loosening of association is when the connection is lost between the components of a single thought. So the patient will say, I don't want to go to office because I have a white dog. Now definitely he is trying to give a reason why he is not going to office, but there is no actual reason. He is saying that I don't want to go to office because I have a white dog. Doesn't make any sense. So here both the thoughts expressed are a part of a single thought, but there is no correlation between the part of a single thought. Had he said that I don't want to go to office because my dog is sick, it could have been a proper expression. But he is saying that I don't want to go to office because I have a white dog. Does not make any sense. So here what is happening is these are not two separate thoughts. This is a single thought, and the connection between components of a single thought is broken. Incoherence is total lack of organization, making it incomprehensible. Like say, I India will have white dog. Doesn't make any sense. No sense at all. So that is incoherence. So this is how we evaluate the form of a thought.